Welcome back. This is Anis from A Square Solutions. If you have been rolling with this playlist, you already know the vibe. No fairy tales, no fake gurus, just real system. So, in episode 1, we built the website. In episode 2, we talk foundations and mindset. And in episode 3, we talk about this Google Search Console. And in episode 4, talk about the Google Analytics and visitor behavior. So today, in this episode, this is the big one, monetization. Not get rich quick, not screenshots from strangers on the internet, real money, real money logic, how websites actually earn. So grab your coffee or double double if you are in Canada, and let's get into it. So we are inside Google AdSense. The first thing you will notice, my earnings are so small, and that's intentional because I want you to see the real journey. Most YouTubers only show success screenshots. I'm showing I'm showing you the process. Here's the truth bomb. Everyone starts at zero, even Google, even Amazon. So if you see like 15 cents or the 6 cents or 2 cents, don't laugh. That's proof of concept. That means the system works. It's like planting your first tomato seed. You don't expect pizza on day one. Now, look here. To step to get paid, you will see earning minimum not reached, identity verification pending, bank details pending, tax information recommended. This this tells you something important. AdSense is not magic, it's compliance. Google wants real identity, real bank, real tax info, real website. They don't give they don't pay ghosts. So if someone tells you just create site and AdSense page next week, that's cap, straight cap. Let me brutally honest. AdSense is pocket money at the start. Real incomes comes when you mix ads, like and affiliates and the services and authority. Think of AdSense like tip jar, affiliates like commission, services like salary. Together, proper business. One stream dries, others still flow. That's how you survive winters, Canadian winters included. Now uh, let's open Hostinger. This is affiliate marketing. Simple concept. You use a tool, you recommend the tool. If someone buys, you earn. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support. But listen carefully. Don't promote garbage. Promote what you actually use. Trust is currency. Spam links kill careers. For example, here my Hostinger link. I use Hostinger, so I recommend Hostinger. That's ethical affiliate marketing, not casino links, not miracle weight loss tea. Imagine this: you own a small electronics shop. Someone asks, which laptop should I buy? You recommend Dell, then buy. They buy. If they buy the Dell, you get commission. That's affiliate marketing. Online version is exactly the same, just digital. No shop rent, no staff, just content, trust, and trust. Easy peasy. Now, on the search console, look at the queries. Like you can see hostinger, uptime guaranteed, digital marketing agency. These are the buyer searches. These people are not browsing, they are shopping. Your job is to create content for these searches, not random viral stuff. Buyer intent pays rent. Now, now in the analytics, uh, let me show you. Like you can see the page view, the form submit, only one form submission that tells traffic exists, conversions are low. So next step is not more blogs. Next step is better CTAs, clear services, stronger case studies, simple contact forms. Traffic without conversion is like filling a bucket with holes. Fix leaks first, then add water. Now, let me open my website. So you can see here the home page, and then you can see the blog section. Then you can see the case studies, and here is the contact page. So this is not just a website, this is a digital a real estate. A social media is rented land, website is owned land. Algorithm changes, your site stays. That's why smart entrepreneurs build website, not just reels. Now let me open the blog. You can see the blog. So in blog there is one pillar content also. Let me show you. Now you can see these are the pillar content. Okay. Now let me open this. Means this pillar content, uh, it's interlinked with multiple related articles. That builds authority. Authority brings ranking. Ranking brings traffic. Traffic brings money. Simple chain. So break one link, income breaks. And I use ChatGPT for outlines and FAQs like frequently asked question, topic ideas, video structure. But I always add some experience, add some examples. AI give speed, human give trust. Together, you will they create powerhouse. And if you are in India, you can try ChatGPT Go. Uh, right now, I believe so. It's free, and for other countries, you can check the pricing. Free version also works. Start where you are, upgrade later. And let me tell you why most people fail. They want fast results. They post 3 blogs, wait 1 week, then quit. Bro, that's like joining gym for 5 days and asking where abs. Relax. Online businesses compound interest. Small actions, daily result ladders. Consistency beats motivation every time. Quick question is why did the blogger cross the road? Because YouTube guru said just hustle harder. Bad joke. Bad to don't hustle blindly. Build systems. If you need help with SEO, automation, website development, visit A Square Solution and go to the contact pages and send your requirement. My team will reach out. No pressure, no solutions, just solutions. Sorry. So today we learned AdSense basics, affiliate logic, of why traffic alone doesn't pay, how Search Console finds buyers, how analytics shows leaks, why websites beat social media, how content clusters build authority. That's the real monetization system, no hacks system. And so, in the next episode, we will talk about scaling, content calendars, automation, email list, and how to run one website into multiple income assets. So, subscribe to our channel. Uh, don't miss it. I'm Anish from A Square Solutions. Keep learning, keep building, as knowledge is power. Thank you.